Diaper Pail refills for Diaper Genie Pails, 1088 count, by Pail Refills is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. Pail Refill Diaper Pail Refill Bags, keeping you and your baby happier and healthier. Are you a new mother who wants only the best for their newborn, while also looking for amazing value? Do you tire of dealing with cheap and easily torn diaper bags that just make an even bigger mess? If so, then Pail Refills has the answers you've been looking for. Pail Refills Diaper Pail Refill Bags 4-pack. Diaper Pail Refills are designed especially for the Diaper Genie and provide reliable protection from diaper odors. Each refill has 7 layers of film that work together to trap it all inside your diaper pail. Each batch of replacements is tested for durability, quality and strength to ensure they are very effective. And fierce protection. The manufacturer wants to provide each customer with better products and more favorable prices. The manufacturer are always working to improve quality. Compatible with all Diaper Genie Pail system. We've made the manufacturer's bags to fit and be compatible with most diaper pails and diaper genies on the market, so that you don't have to worry about matching up brands or sizes. Need more reasons to choose us? Only one to cost as the original. Each refill holds about 272 newborn baby diapers. The manufacturer's 4-pack bundle gives you over 1088 diaper bags, more than enough to last you for months to come. Included pack of carbon deodorizers helps keep your bathroom changing station clean smelling and fresh. Made to be easy to tear away and tie when the bag is full. Makes the perfect baby shower gift for expecting mothers. Tips. This product will out of sale 2 months later, but the manufacturer will have another new upgrades with better quality soon. The new one which will solve the shortcomings of the current products with little price rising. Thanks for your support of the manufacturer's products. The manufacturer will continue to improve. Competitive price, cost savings, including 4 disposable refill bags and 4 bags of natural bamboo charcoal packs. For use with all Diaper Genie disposal systems, Diaper Genie Expression, Diaper Genie Complete, Diaper Genie II Elite, Diaper Genie II, Diaper Genie Essentials and Mini. New patented design. The new design is easier to use while maintaining high compatibility. Better quality. All materials are environmentally friendly and imported, produced by automated equipment, shipped from the factory after extensive white glove inspection. Service guarantee. The manufacturer wholeheartedly provides you the best products and service with 90-day refunds guarantee service. Super cost, high quality! Exclamation mark.